Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to this training topic of chown. This is a command to change the ownership. So how do we change the ownership? We use the command called chown, that is change the ownership. We can change the ownership of an existing file using this command chown. And here we give the chown the new owner or the username, and then so this is your username and this is your file name or directory name. Okay, so that is one variant of it. Second variant is that we can do chown username colon group name and then file or directory. Okay, so this is your username and this is your group name and this is the file and file or directory. Okay, this could be a single file or multiple files or multiple directories. Okay, so that is one variant of it. Another variant is that I want you guys to take note is a recursive ownership change. So chown then minus capital R. So this will make sure that any directories, subdirectories, and within subdirectories, if there are any directories, everything gets changed from that point onwards. So this is your username or new username or new group name. Either of them we can specify, and this is your the directory name or okay. So these are the four different major variants of chown command. So let's look at this command in the system. So let's go to this folder. Okay, now here you can see that the ownership for this file is root. Okay, so let's check if there is a user called by name test from password file. You can see that yes, there is this particular user, and what I am going to do now is I am going to change the permission for this file. Current owner is root. Okay, so I am going to make the new owner called test4 here and chown the new owner name, which is test4, and this is your file name. Okay, so now if I look at this file now, let's see what is the ownership for this file. Take note that this owner, this is the owner, and this ownership has changed from the root user to the test4 user. Okay, so this is how we change the ownership. Let's say that I want to change this group also. Okay, so for changing a group, there is a command called chgrp, and we can change the owner from this to, let's say, staff for this file. Okay, you can see that if there is no such group in the system, you will get this message. Let's confirm that. Okay, how can we confirm that? We can grep this group from the group file. So there is nothing called this user. So what we are going to do is let's select an existing group from this. So let's say that I want to change the group to SAP sys. Okay, so and you can see that the group ownership has changed. There is no error message. Now let's see the permission of this file again, you can see that the group permission is changed to SAP sys. So this is how we change the ownership, and that is the owner and the group. We change it this way. There is one more variant that we have discussed. It's chown user colon group name. Okay, for let's say I want to change it for this file. So I am changing user and group at one shot. So let's see this, the value for this. You can see that the user is test4 and group is this, and both are changed at one shot. Okay, now let's look at this directory. There is one directory here which is bin folder, test folder. Okay, so there are no files. So what I'll do is, let me go to test folder and create some file called, let's say this is first file, this is, let's say, second file, and if you do ll, you can see there are two files in test folder and both are owned by root. And if I do ls-ld for test, this is also owned by root. So if I want to change all these permissions at one shot, I can say chown-r command. And if I want to change just the owner, I can say test4 and this folder. And if you do ls-lr for the test folder, you can see that everything is changed to test, even the files inside this folder and this folder permission also. Okay, and we could have tried the same thing for the user colon group. Let's say that I want to change this to say test3 user and group is say SAP sys for the test folder. And okay, test3 user is not there, so let's select some existing user from the password file. Okay, now here you can see that let's pick up test5. So if I change the ownership recursively to test5 colon SAP sys for the test folder, you can see if I do ls-lr for the test folder, can see both ownership and group permissions are changed at one shot using this recursive command. Okay, so this is how we use chown and chgrp command. So that's all I wanted to cover in this topic. Thank you for joining and have a nice day. Bye bye.